Alright guys, today we're going to be trying out two different shades of the dupes for the Ciate Glitter Flip lipsticks. I happen to own 3 of the original colors, so we're going to put these to the test and just see how well they perform. Now I picked up the colors, they call them 104 and 106. Let's take these. Ooh, look at that. That's 106, by the way. And this is 4. She's very orange. Okay, let's compare them to the shades that I have. So I have Infamous. I have the color Valentine. Take them out of the box. So this is Valentine, and then this is Hollywood. So there's Hollywood. So let's hold them up side by side. These are the dupes, these are the real thing. I don't see anything that is a match for each other, which I thought I do. So this is supposed to be Infamous. And this is the real color of Infamous. You can see those are not even close to each other. So here's what I'm going to do. We're going to put them to the test. Since these are both called Infamous, I'm going to put the real one on this side of my mouth and the dupe on this side of my mouth. I'm going to do half top and bottom, and then I'm going to press them together after 2 minutes because you need to let it dry. Ugh. And we'll see how well they work. Okay, this is like getting stuck when it's coming out of there. So that'll be interesting. Real interesting. Boy, that one's really bleeding. Here's the real applicator for Infamous, and I'll show you the one in just a second for the dupe. Okay. I look really dorky right now, but I'm going to let this dry for 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright, time is up, and I have zoomed you in so you're really close, because that way when I press my lips together, I want you to be able to see how this performs between the 2 different shades. So again, just as a reminder, this side is the dupe one that I found off of Shop Essay, and this is the real deal from Ciate. So let's go ahead and press the lips together, and then you should see an explosion of glitter happen here. I see a lot of glitter going in on this side. I don't see anything happening here, except for a lot of patchiness. Nope. Still didn't work on that side. So again, the glitter's working there. Nothing, not a zip. Wow. Okay, let me go ahead and take this off, and I'm going to try some other colors and see what we can get going on here. All right, let's try their other color here. This is a orangey shade, and this is what their applicators look like, by the way. You can see it's just a very flat, no good tip on it or anything. All right, 2 minutes is up, and let's go ahead and see if this one gets any glitter to it. Try it again. Nope. It's getting on my teeth though. I have some glitter on this side, but I think that's all left over from the actual Ciate one. All right, let me go ahead and take this off, and then I'm going to try one more of the Ciate lip colors so you can see what they really should look like. All right, this time we are going to use the real deal. So this is the Ciate Glitter Flip in the color Hollywood, and let me go ahead and apply this one. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I'm going to set the timer for 2 minutes and I'll be back. All right, another 2 minutes has gone by, so let's go ahead and press my lips together. And again, this is the real deal. This is the color Hollywood. Did you see that? Let's press some more. That, folks, is glitter. This is the way it's supposed to work. Isn't that pretty though? Look how that just glitters and shines. This would be such a beautiful color for Christmas time. I really like it. So, not something I'd wear to the grocery store or, you know, just out running errands or something, but maybe a nice night out or something would be fun to do. So, anyway, let's go back to talking about these two that are total failures. So, they're not a glitter flip, they're a glitter flop. I know, it's a bad joke. So, obviously, if you were looking to do these types of a transforming lips that turns to glitter, spend the extra money and get the real deal. Those were obviously horrible. They were patchy. They had no glitter in them whatsoever. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of
Weird Wish Wednesday.
I've got so many fun things coming up, and I'm excited to share them all with you. So make sure, again, that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell notifications so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, along with the occasional Weird Wish Wednesday thrown in there. And if you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Plus, if you have any questions or comments or things you would like to see me try on Weird Wish Wednesday, leave me a comment down below, please. I love hearing from you guys. So as always, I love you guys, and bye-bye.